Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can mute your message notification on Snapchat. So let's say one of your friend is constantly sending you message and it's just like disturbing you, and you want to mute message notification, but you just want to mute message notification of that one particular person. You still want to get notification for all your other friends' messages. Well, in that case, you need to hold on the person's name. So for this video's example, I will try it on my friend Badal Oli. I will hold on his name. Once I hold on his name, all these options will pop up. Now from over here, you can see the third option called chat setting. Click on chat settings, and from chat setting at the bottom, you can see the option called the message notification. Make sure you turn off the message notification. Once that is off, you're not going to receive any notification from your friend Badal Oli, but you're still going to receive notification from other friend, which means if Abhinav or Vaibhav or Suyog messages me, I'm still going to get notifications, but only Badal Oli's message I'm not going to get notification from. That's how you guys can mute your message notification on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.